Here are some tips for success with employee self-service kiosks. Position the kiosks in key locations of your facility, such as break rooms and the production floor. Enlist an on-site champion to help introduce the staff to all new tools that are made available to them. Promote your retention programs, contests, and other employee incentives. Use the on-screen survey tool to customize questions and collect valuable feedback from your staff. Your IT staff will love working with advanced kiosks. All kiosks are configured and tested thoroughly prior to shipping for a smooth deployment. Additionally, our comprehensive advanced support plan includes priority access to phone support, same-day response to emails or support tickets, and remote login tech support. We are here to help you succeed. So as HR technology continues to play a bigger role in the success of your organization, count on Advanced Kiosks as the seasoned professional in the employee self-service space. Call today to speak with a technical sales representative about the HR self-service needs for your organization.